So we're gonna get the Furrion out. I used a custom ball mount I ordered off Amazon. That fits the back of the Furrion. This made this really nice because the windshield mounts just, there's nowhere to put it without blocking your view. That's what makes this new setup so nice. So I'm gonna get the dash cam off. What I did is install a power source because this mirror is powered for auto day night. They make an adapter, tap into that and give you USB power. I'm hoping it powers this. We're going to find out. If not, I got to run it up and around. So, hey, let's all find out together. And no, I don't think it's going to be enough power.
Oh, no.
The power source here is not enough to power this up. It does need 9 volts. So what I'm going to have to do is run this cable up through the headliner, tuck it away, and get it out of the view. But first, we're going to get this mounted up on the mirror. This is what Haloview had on the BT7 as well. It made our install really clean. Bring your straps over and get hooked. They clip in and boom. Oh, that looks good.
Wow, it just looks like a mirror.
Yeah, I can use it as a mirror. I don't even have to take it down. I can see out back just fine.
So nice, because I mean, how often on travel days had we started traveling and we'd forgotten to put it up?
Yeah, and that's why I went with this, so I didn't forget. So it was always here, out of the way. But now my view is so much better looking out across here. All right, now it's time just to tidy up the wires, tuck it away, not make this look so sloppy. All right, so they included these little adhesive wire retainers. I'm gonna stick those in the black edge of the windshield up here, and that'll keep this up nice and clean so that I'm not messing with this cloth headliner. These things, you start peeling them, and they're never the same. Okay, well that wraps up the install. Got it all nice and clean and tucked away, powered on. That was really, really simple. I mean, not that any of these dash cams are hard to install, but to have it this clean is quite nice. Now I got suction cup spots I got to clean off, all that. We'll get this all tidied up